Today we talk about how can you research cars on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here or more down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on research here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you come to research cars here by model, here by chip, and by make here. So then all you have to do, you just go down, and here can you add here make or model or year here, choose it, and you click here on research. Then it's going to show for you on your, so I'm going to click on research. Then it's going to for you here like this cars here, and here it's going to show for your price. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.